Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your notification is not working on iOS 16. So feature like notification summary and focus make our life easy. However, for one reason or another, not everyone is getting the full benefit of these settings. So and if you are amongst them and notification are not working on your iPhone, then let me help you to fix this problem. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is guys, you need to turn off the focus on iPhone. To do that, go to the setting, click on focus and click on do not disturb, turn it off. So once you have turned this off, then you need to also turn off the share across device and smart activation. Go to the focus, click on do not disturb, and as you can see here is smart activation. So also delete the automation. Then the next step is turn off the share across device. So as you can see here it is, just turn it off and close the setting. So guys, after this, check notification setting for individual apps. Then simply click on notifications and make sure that all the notification is turned on and notification is allowed. So guys, after this, update and reinstall the app. Which app is not working with the notification, like if your Facebook notifications are not working, then you need to reinstall that app. So after this guys, you need to reset your iPhone. Then click on reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode, and don't worry, you won't lose any of your data, but it can fix your problem. So hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.